Hello everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. In today's session we will see about navigational methods which we can use. So there are navigational methods available to interact with web pages which allow you to perform navigating backward, forward and refresh the page. So there are three methods mainly: back, forward and refresh. So back method navigates the browser back to the previous page. Forward method will navigate the browser forward to the next page, whereas the refresh will simply refresh the page, refresh the current page. For example, I will just show you on the Chrome. Let's say so at first let's say I opens facebook.com. So this is the facebook.com web page which is opened. So this is the facebook.com which is opened. After that, let's say I will open google.com. So once opening the facebook.com, what I will do, I will open google.com. So now google.com is opened. After that, let's say I am opening another website, that is nopcommerce.com. So I am just opening another website. So now we are landing on this application. This website is opened now. Now if I again want to open google.com, I don't have to actually type again, because whenever we open any web page on the web browser, it remembers it. It remembers whatever we have opened here. So if you simply see this back button, it will navigate back to google.com. If you see this forward button, it will again take us to nopcommerce.com. So these buttons are basically back. This one is for forward. So we can use this back to go or to navigate to previous page. We can use forward to navigate to the forward page. This is the refresh. So it will refresh the current page. So if you click on back, it will again go to back. Again it will go to back on Facebook page. If you again click forward, it will take you to Google. It will take you to NOP Commerce website. So this is the basically navigation. And to do this navigation via automation script, there are three methods which are provided: back, forward and refresh. So back method will navigate the browser back to the previous page. Forward will navigate the browser forward to the next page, and refresh will refresh the current page. So now let's see practically example for this. So I'm just going to PyCharm. Let's create a new Python file. So we have created a Python file now. Let's copy the previous code from our previous session. So I'm just copying this code. And I'm pasting it here. So it will simply importing the WebDriver option service, which we have already discussed in the previous session. And here we are creating the driver instance and we are opening this web page. So initially it will open the facebook.com sign up page, and then after opening that page, let's open some another page as well, another website. So I will simply open google.com, and in between that let's provide some time. So I will put some time so that we can actually see the execution. Let's put 4 seconds, and we have to import time here. So I'm just importing time, and we can use time.sleep. It will wait for 4 seconds. And now let's execute this script. And after going to google.com, first let's execute and check out. So it will launch the browser. It will open Facebook sign up page. It will wait for 4 seconds, and then it will again open google.com. Now what I want to do is, I again want to navigate back to facebook.com. right? I again want to navigate back to the Facebook sign up page. Now I'm just closing it. Now let's see how we can do. So we can use driver.back. So when you use driver.back, it will navigate back to the previous page. So it will navigate to Facebook one. So it will navigate to Facebook sign up page. And let's put some pause here, time.sleep. Again, let's put couple of second pause. And then after navigating back to Facebook, I again want to go forward to google.com. So I can put driver.forward method. I can use driver.forward method. It will navigate forward to Google page. Now let's see when we execute this script how this happens. Now let's run this file. So it will launch the browser. It will open Facebook sign up page. Then it will open, wait for 4 seconds, and then it will open google.com. Then it will again navigate it back to Facebook. And then it will again forward back to google.com. So this is how we have used navigate back as well as navigate forward, right? After that we can simply use driver.close, that will close the window. So I will just using driver.close. It should close the window. So this is how we can use driver.back as well as driver.forward. Now let's see one more time. It is launching the page. Initially Facebook sign up page, then it will go to google.com, then it will navigate back to Facebook sign up, then it will again go forward and again go to Google page, and then it will get closed, right? So now instance got closed. So this is how we can use driver.back and driver.forward to navigate between the web pages, forward or reverse, forward or back. Another one is driver.refresh, that will simply refresh the current page. So what I will do, I am just commenting this driver.close as of now, and I will use driver.refresh. Driver.refresh method. Before that I can simply use time.sleep so that we can easily see it. I am just adding couple of seconds, so that couple of seconds it will be paused and then it will refresh the screen. So let's run this file. So when we execute it, it will start or it will launch the browser. It is opening the Facebook sign up page. It is opening google.com, then it will navigate back, it will navigate forward, and then it will refresh the page. Now it will go to Google, it should refresh. See, it is refreshing the page. So it refreshed the page now. And if you see one more thing, now the window is not maximized, right? So if you want to maximize this window, what we can use is, we can simply use driver dot, after opening this driver.get, we can also use driver dot. To maximize the window, we can use driver dot maximize window. So this method, driver dot maximize main window, will maximize the window. And let's execute one more time, and this time we will use driver dot close as well. So it will demonstrate back, forward, refresh as well as maximizing the window as well. So let's execute this file. It is opening the browser, it will maximize now. See, it maximized the window now. Then it will open google.com, it will navigate back to the previous page, again forward navigation to google.com, then it will refresh the page, and then it will close the page. So this is how we can use forward, back, refresh and maximize window. So we have seen back, forward and refresh. These are basically navigational methods available to interact with web pages, which allow us to perform navigation backward and forward, and also refreshing the page. So thanks for watching this video guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos.